Realme C33 coming soon. Realme C33 will be launched in India on September 6 at 12 p.m. noon. Realme is announced to launch several products including the Realme Buds Air 3S and Watch 3 Pro. Realme C33 will feature a dual rear camera. Let's have a look at all the details. 50 megapixel primary sensor. Come with a CHDR algorithm. 5,000 mAh battery that can last up to 37 days on standby. Realme C33 phone will be 8.3mm thick and weigh 187 grams. The Realme C33 will be launched in at least 3 color options: blue, gold, black, sandy gold, aqua blue, and night sea. 3 storage configurations in India: 3GB plus 32GB, 4GB plus 64GB, and 4GB plus 128GB variants. Realme specification. I sincerely appreciate your attention today. And that brings us to the end. I'd like to thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. Give your supports. Thank you.